Risks of using harsh chemicals in septic tanks. Septic tanks are vital for treating wastewater in many homes, relying on natural bacteria to break down waste. However, using harsh chemicals in these systems can cause significant harm. Though they may seem like a quick solution, these chemicals can lead to expensive repairs, environmental pollution, and system failure. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the main risks associated with using harsh chemicals in septic tanks. Disruption of beneficial bacteria. Septic systems depend on beneficial bacteria to break down organic waste. Harsh chemicals like bleach and drain cleaners can kill these bacteria, disrupting the entire system. Without the proper bacterial activity, waste may not break down effectively, leading to slow drainage, clogs, and possible system failure. Environmental pollution. Chemicals used in septic systems can seep into the soil, contaminating groundwater and nearby water sources. This can harm local ecosystems, affect drinking water quality, and pose serious health risks. Polluted water can also harm aquatic life, leading to long-term environmental damage. Increased maintenance costs. Regular use of harsh chemicals can cause septic tanks to malfunction. The system may require more frequent pumping, inspections, and repairs. Over time, this can lead to higher maintenance costs. In extreme cases, the system might need a complete replacement, which can be a costly expense. System overload and backups. As waste breaks down more slowly, it can accumulate, creating pressure within the septic system. This may result in blockages, causing wastewater to back up into drains and toilets. Such backups are not only unpleasant but can also damage property and create unsanitary conditions. Safety hazards to household members. Many chemicals used in septic tanks are toxic or corrosive. Handling these chemicals improperly can pose safety risks, including skin irritation, respiratory problems, or more severe health issues. Accidental spills can also cause harm to both people and the environment. Alternative solutions. To avoid the risks associated with harsh chemicals, homeowners can explore alternative, safer solutions for septic tank maintenance. 1. Enzyme-based cleaners. These natural cleaners use beneficial enzymes to break down waste without harming bacteria. They are gentle on the septic system and do not contribute to pollution. 2. Regular pumping and inspections. Routine maintenance is crucial for keeping the septic system in good working order. Scheduling inspections and pumping can prevent issues from becoming severe. 3. Composting toilets. For those looking to reduce their reliance on septic systems, composting toilets provide an eco-friendly alternative. They break down waste without the need for chemicals or water. 4. Proper waste disposal. Avoid flushing non-biodegradable items or chemicals down the drain. This simple step can prevent system overload and the need for harsh chemicals. Using harsh chemicals in septic tanks can lead to a range of problems, from system malfunctions to environmental harm. To protect both your septic system and the environment, consider using natural treatments, following proper maintenance practices, and exploring alternative solutions. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.